How to turn off pop-out player on Android. Are guys facing issue to turn off pop-out player onto its application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off the pop-out player onto it, first of all, open the Twitch application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon over here. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options available at this section. Just simply head over to this preferences. After you click on preferences, you can see the option for automatically pop out player. You are looking to turn it off, right? Just simply toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, pop-out player will be disabled onto it. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna turn off pop-out player onto its application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.